Hello everybody, this is the Kid News. Firstly, we're with the weather with Ernest Liu. Hello. Today on England, there's 1,644 billion degrees, 0.1, 0.11, 0.6, and China is 1,644 million degrees. People need to go to New Zealand. There is Barbies. You get wait a second. A Barbie. Headless Barbies. Plop. You need to go to New Zealand too, because it's really special.
Don't throw everything on.
Jason, your turn.
No, my turn.
Don't throw everything like that.
Okay. Everyone, this is my turn. Okay. This firstly, breaking news. Firstly, there was we caught a man stealing things from the Quickie Mart, which is a tiny shop, and we found him stealing a 50-cent chocolate bar that was already expired. Don't know why we needed it. Just for stealing one little thing, he went to jail for 100 billion years. And this is a picture of him. Oh, and he has actually a group. It's called the Stupid Gang, and there's only 4 of them, except one of them died, so there's only 3 more. If you find them, the reward is $1,000 and the car. And yeah, here's a picture. Yep, I drew it myself. I kind of failed. Yep, reward. Yep. Okay, and here, this is the car. If you ever see it, well, I'll show you later. Off to the other breaking news.
What are we talking about?
Breaking news. Today, there's a crash in Highway 5. Motorway 6 has been a big traffic jam. Really dangerous. There's some robberies in the road. Someone got killed by a car. Don't know why. This is emergency helicopter came for breaking news in weather report. Okay. This is the car. I'll show you. I'm just just wait. Okay, this is the car. Maybe can't even see it properly. If you see it, tell me, because I really need it. It's a nice car. When I have it, when they go to jail, I'll keep it. Yeah. And that's breaking news. Bye.